Perfect.
So it is currently 3 or 4 days later. I had these twists in for a while. As you can see, they're like really stretched and they're kind of cute. But then again, I feel like I already look super young, so this probably makes me look 12, but it's all good. I've grown to love and appreciate my youthful look. Anyways, I had this scarf on at nighttime, a satin scarf. In case you guys are wondering, this is what I've been sleeping on to keep my hair intact. So we're just about to take out these bad boys. I'm super excited to see how it's gonna look. This is my first time using this Cream of Nature Argan Oil Twist and Curl Puddings. Hopefully my results are bomb so I can have like a new favorite product. You guys should be proud of me. I'm trying new things. I'm just gonna take this Argan Oil. And of course, before you unravel anything, it is good to put some oil in your hands. I'm gonna put like a few little pumps. I'm gonna rub my hands together and I'm just gonna put the oil all through my twist just to coat it, a little shine. Since I've had them in for a few days, I mean, the fact that the Cream of Nature product has argan oil in it, argan oil always really makes my hair super shiny anyway, so I'm sure I don't technically need this oil, but just in case. So, oh my gosh, are you guys ready for the review? I'm sure a lot of you guys have already did a twist out on your hair, but if not, then you would know that, I mean, me personally, you can go random. You can start at the top, you can start at the bottom. I like to start at the bottom. Look at this, oh my gosh, the shrinkage of a twist. That's crazy. I put in the bobby pin, so I'm gonna take out the bobby pin, then I'm gonna unravel. And then I'm gonna pull apart and then unravel the rest. And then there. Whoa. Now that you have your two unraveled, you're gonna wanna just grab one of the two and just pull it apart gently. And you can pull it apart as many times as you want. And then also while you're pulling them apart, the ends are not coiled, so you just wanna go in and finger curl them. And then drop. All right, let's just put this music on. I think you guys get the point. All right, cue the music. loving the results. The only complaint I have is I still have not gotten my hair trimmed. I just haven't had the time to, or I guess I haven't made the time to. So yes, you guys probably can tell that my ends are very stringy, especially over here. I was literally about to like just trim it off myself, but I'm just gonna wait until I just trim it all together. So this twist out is super defined. So I actually really do like this product. And so yeah, I'm about to do my baby hairs. I swear, every time I do twist outs, I always find a twist that I miss. Like goodness, no matter how much I feel like I got everything. Let me just handle this one real quick. I probably should have put some like rollers in the end of my hair to make the ends really curly, since my ends are like all raggedy, but it's okay. I promise before 2018 is over, these ends are gonna be trimmed, okay? I wanted to do my baby hairs kind of natural, so they're not like, I mean, they're more of like fluffy, natural baby hairs, because I just wanted to flow right with my hair. I'm really loving these results. So would I be buying this again? I will, for sure. This is definitely one of my new go-to for when I want to do a twist out. I'm not sure if you can use this on braid outs because it says twist and curl pudding. I don't know, maybe I could try it on a braid out as well. I have the shampoo, so I just love the shine. Argan oil period is really good for my hair. It always gives me a lot of shine. Like, that's why you guys see me using this EcoStyle Gel with argan oil, because argan oil just gives my hair shine. And if you guys have similar hair to mine, then maybe it will benefit you and give you that shine and all that stuff. So yeah, I love it. I think that's about it. See, look at this. Oh my gosh, look, I really want to trim this. I did it. That looks so much better though, kind of. I don't know. Did that make it worse? I don't know. I probably just made my hair worse, but it's okay. Oh my gosh. All right, just those two right there just make me feel so much lighter. Like, I feel like a feather right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so lame. Did I really say that? Anyways, also I wanted to mention that I saw, thanks to, I forget her name. I'm gonna have to put her up. I'll put her post right here. I really love her hair. I've watched her for a while. I'm having like a brain fart right now. Like, yeah, I said a brain fart. I can't think of her name, but I saw her results were super bomb. She actually did a braid out or a twist out, I can't remember, on her stretch blow dried hair, and it looks so good. So thank you, girl. You made me actually go and buy this and pick it up and try it. So yeah, kudos to her. This is my updated fall twist out, and yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. All the products will be linked in the description box below. See you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby